Hello, today's topic.
School.
I have a math test tomorrow. I have a math test tomorrow. I have a math test tomorrow. Do you know where the library is? Do you know where the library is? Do you know where the library is? He is studying for his English exam. He is studying for his English exam. He is studying for his English exam. Can you borrow me a pen, please? Can you borrow me a pen, please? Can you borrow me a pen, please? She always sits in the front row. He always sits in the front row. He always sits in the front row. Do you need help with your homework? Do you need help with your homework? Do you need help with your homework? We should form a study group. We should form a study group. We should form a study group. Is there a cafeteria in the school? Is there a cafeteria in the school? Is there a cafeteria in the school? What time does the bell ring for lunch? What time does the bell ring for lunch? What time does the bell ring for lunch? I'm going to the gym for PE class. I'm going to the gym for PE class. I'm going to the gym for PE class. Have you finished your science project? Have you finished your science project? Have you finished your science project? He is writing an essay for history class. He is writing an essay for history class. He is writing an essay for history class. She is practicing for the school play. He is practicing for the school play. He is practicing for the school play. Can you meet me at the locker after class? Can you meet me at the locker after class? Can you meet me at the locker after class? Do you have any questions about the lesson? Do you have any questions about the lesson? Do you have any questions about the lesson? I'm going to the principal's office. I'm going to the principal's office. I'm going to the principal's office. Have you joined any clubs at school? Have you joined any clubs at school? Have you joined any clubs at school? We should plan a field trip. We should plan a field trip. We should plan a field trip. Is there a nurse's office in the school? Is there a nurse's office in the school? Is there a nurse's office in the school? What's your favorite subject in school? What's your favorite subject in school? What's your favorite subject in school? I'm going to the counselor for advice. I'm going to the counselor for advice. I'm going to the counselor for advice. Do you prefer studying alone or with friends? Do you prefer studying alone or with friends? Do you prefer studying alone or with friends? He is taking extra classes for SAT prep. He is taking extra classes for Civ prep. He is taking extra classes for Civ prep. She is participating in the debate club. She is participating in the debate club. She is participating in the debate club. Can you bring your textbook to class? Can you bring your textbook to class? Can you bring your textbook to class? We should nominate someone for class president. We should nominate someone for class president. We should nominate someone for class president. Is there a dress code for school events? Is there a dress code for school events? Is there a dress code for school events? I'm going to the art room to paint. I'm going to the art room to paint. I'm going to the art room to paint. Do you want to join the soccer team? Do you want to join the soccer team? Do you want to join the soccer team? She enjoys reading in the school library. She enjoys reading in the school library. She enjoys reading in the school library.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.